Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how long it takes to withdraw your money in the Neteller application. So now the first thing that I want you to do now is to access to your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Edge or anything, and then you will go to this neteller.com website and accept the cookies or reject them. So let's just reject all the cookies, and basically you will need to join with Neteller. So basically you are going to sign in if you have already an account, so just sign in, or otherwise you can just sign up, and you can do this by adding your personal informations, and then you will need to click on the register. So basically by that you will be able to create account, and after that you will need to log into this account that you have just created and click log in, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So basically after you withdraw your money on Neteller and take them out to your bank account or transfer them anywhere, probably and generally it takes from 1 to 5 days, business days, to withdraw successfully and completely your money. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.